Welcome to our first grade play, Singing into Spring. First grade has just finished working on functional writing, where we're teaching how to. Isaac Miller is going to read us an example of a functional writing from a first grade student.
How to make a soft pretzel. Are you hungry? You should try soft pretzels. You need a microwave, soft pretzel, salt, sink. First, get a soft pretzel out of the box. 2, wash the soft pretzel. 3, put the salt on the soft pretzel. 4, put it in the microwave. Set it for 30 seconds. Take it out of the microwave so you better start cooking.
At this point in the school year, we would like for our first grade